Good morning, student. Now we are going to learn basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. So here is a statement: if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in the distinct point, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So let us see the diagram. How we can make the diagram here? Uh, there is triangle. Let A, B, C is a triangle. Now a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle. So first let this line is parallel to BC. Let this is D point and E point. So D is a parallel to BC and it intersect other two sides in distinct point at a D and E respectively AB and AC. Now we have to prove AD upon DB equals to AE upon EC in the same ratio. So here first how we can prove? For proving this statement we require to do some construction. As we know that if there is a obtuse angle triangle, suppose here we have a obtuse angle triangle PQR. So if we will draw a altitude or perpendicular from one vertices, so it will go outside of the triangle. That is height of the triangle of in obtuse angle triangle, it will be outside of the triangle. So here this statement we require. Now second, first we will join D to E. So let us join D to E and C to D. Now another requirement, here we have to draw the perpendicular from E vertices, E point to side AB, and here one more perpendicular. So let us give the name of this point. Let this is F and this is G. So what is given here? Given in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, DE parallel BC, DE intersects AB and AC at D and E respectively. Now to prove, we have to prove here AD upon DB, that is AD upon DB equals to AE upon EC. Construction. Here we are doing construction. Join BE and CD, and here we are doing some more. EF perpendicular on AB or AD and DG is perpendicular on AE. Now proof. First we will find area of ADE. So area of triangle, that is 1 upon 2 base into height. Area of triangle ADE, that is 1 upon 2 base into height. So 1 upon 2, what is base here? Base is AD. Base is AD and height, that is we have drawn perpendicular E to F, so it will be height. Let EF is the height. Similarly, we need to find area of DBE, which is obtuse angle theorem. Obtuse angle triangle. So height of this triangle will be EF. Now, area of triangle BDE, that is same 1/2 base is DB and height is EF. Now we require to find out the ratio of these two triangles, because we have to prove AD upon DB and AE upon EC, that is ratio of these two triangles. So ratio of area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle BDE, that is 1/2 AD into EF and 1/2 DB into EF. So these two will be cancelled. Now we have AD upon DB. This is equation 1. Again, we require to find out area of ADE with the base AE and area of CDE with the base EC. So here area of triangle ADE, that is 1/2, we can write base AE, and here will be perpendicular, that is DG, and area of triangle CDE, that is 1/2, base is EC and height is DG. Now we can take the ratio. While taking the ratio, area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle CDE, now we will have 1/2 AE into DG upon 1/2 EC into DG. Now these two will be cancelled out, so we have AE upon EC, equation 2. Now here let us see, we have a two triangle BDE and DCE. In the BCED, between same parallel, because D parallel BC, so we know that if there are two triangles between the same parallel lines, so the area of these two triangles will be same. I am not writing here, so we will use this concept. That means area of both the triangle will be same. Both the triangle will be same. So from equation first and second, now we can write area of ADE, area of BDE, and area of BDE equals to area of CDE. So area of triangle BDE equals to area of triangle CDE. This will be same. So this is equation third. Now from equation first, second and third, by using these three, we can write AD upon DB equals to AE upon EC, which is our requirement. Hence prove it.